Hello. Welcome back to ClojureRank, solving another HackerRank problem in Clojure today. Before we start, I just want to take a minute to point out I'm available for software engineering in Clojure, in Python, JavaScript, other languages as well, IT services. Just email info@sunshinetechnologyprograms.com and let me know how I can help you with anything you need in the world of computers. That said, let's get into this problem. Neat little HackerRank problem. I switched up to more algorithm-focused problems. This one seems neat. I've done a little homework on it, and it's pretty neat. So the problem is there's an array of numbers, and these numbers are the price of a house in a given year. And for some reason, the goal is to buy a house and then sell it in another year at a loss. It has to be at a loss, but a minimum loss. You want to sell it at the minimum loss. And so the loss is when you buy in a year and then sell in a subsequent year, such that the difference between the buy price and the sell price is minimized while still being greater than zero. So let's head straight to the REPL and start getting into it. And then my first thought was to simply sort the numbers, and then because my first thought was just given each number, we compare the difference with all the other numbers and find the pair that has the minimum loss. But that's n squared. And then I thought, what if, because we only need to find the difference. We don't even need to find which years it is. So I thought, what if I just sort them and find, iterate along two at a time and find the smallest difference. The problem with that is if you just sort it, you do lose track of which years come before which other years, and so you won't be able to tell if it's a loss or a gain. So this is an opportunity to let you know about sorted set in Clojure, and sorted set is basically a sorted set, like it says, and it's a good thing when you want to do like insertion sorts, when you want to keep a sort of running sorted list and add elements one at a time and keep them sorted. And the nice thing about it is the complexity of adding an element is log n. So we're not going to need to go all the way to n squared in this solution. What are we calling this? Minimum loss. Right, so the reduce is going to take I'm going to use a data structure as my accumulator in the reduce. The arguments to the reduce function, they can be two elements from the sequence, or if you provide a starting element, they can be what we call the accumulator value and then the next value. And we're going to do an accumulator value in this case. So that'll be that. So as we iterate over the list, we're going to keep track of the previous elements seen in a sorted list so that we can quickly find those elements that are greater than a given number. Reduce over price, we're calling that. And then at the end, we're going to want to get min loss. Something like that. So it might be the case that there is no previous value greater than the current value. In those cases, obviously, we're not going to change the min loss. So that's that. And then if there is a previous value greater than the current value, this expression will return it. And then we subtract the current value from that to get the minimum loss, given that we sold at the current iteration. Cool. So then from the accumulator function, we just return previous is the previous with the next element added. And min loss is the next min loss. I am assuming some basic functional programming knowledge. I'm going to link below a great list of books that you can use if you want to get up to speed on this stuff. If you have specific questions, please comment and I'll answer them. What do you mean? What do you mean unable to resolve? Where? That. Okay. Does it run? Does it error? Okay, works on the simple cases. Let's try it on the full suite. Cool. Yeah, that worked. Right. That was a quick one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and you'll be notified when there's more of these videos available. Go ahead and click like on the video, drop a comment, let me know what you think. And again, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.